This is Sadish Kumar Ramalingam. In this video, I am going to explain how to implement geolocation into your Ionic 4 application. First of all, you need to create a new project using Ionic CLI. I have already created a project. I am going to explain with it. I have already prepared the code and also I am going through with that code in this tutorial. Okay, you just find out the code in my GitHub repository. I'll give the repository link into the description box. Please find it. Once you have created your project successfully, next you need to install the geolocation plugin into your Ionic 4 application. Use these following commands for installing the geolocation native plugin into your application. Once you have installed this plugin into your application successfully, next we move on to our code section. This is my project. I have already created one. Okay, you need to import your Google Map script into your index.html file. Okay, don't forget, please use your own API key. Okay, I didn't share any API key because of all the API keys are paid now. Okay, so I want to give my API key for your desk demo purpose. You just go the Google Map console website and create your API key. Okay, don't forget, please import this map script into your index.html file. Okay, next you need to create a new page. Okay, use the following CLI command to create a new page. Okay, Ionic, G for generate, P for page, and this is the page name. I have give geolocation is the name of the page. Okay, I have already created that. Once you create it successfully, it comes under your app folder. Okay, next I'm going to move on with my geolocation page. First of all, you need to open the geolocation.page.html file. Okay, in this file you need to declare this only. Okay, into the Ionic content section, I have created a new div. Okay, with the class name for map. Okay, it's nothing but I have already declared the class into my style.css file. Okay, and I have called with this with a template reference variable. Okay, the name of the variable is map element. This is for nothing but I want to access this element into my component class, so I just give the template reference variable name here. Okay, here map element is the name of this variable. Okay, I want to access this div into my component class, and this div hold the Google Map here. Okay, so I need to declare this one here. Don't forget, please mention this template reference variable name. Okay, once you have completed this one, next open your geolocation.module.ts file. Okay, into the providers section, you need to import the geolocation plugin. Okay, it comes from Ionic native geolocation ngx. Okay, this is the absolute path of the native plugin. Okay, in this location we have the source code of this plugin. Okay, you need to import this into your provider section, then only you can access the geolocation inside of your Ionic 4 application. Otherwise you may not. Next we move on to our component class file. Here I have implemented two Angular lifecycle events. One is on init and another one is after view init. Okay, you guys are know about what is the lifecycle events and what they have done, so I want to explain here. Next you need to create some global variable for accessing the latitude and longitude. So I need to declare two variables, one for latitude and another one for longitude here. Next I want to declare a view child element for my map element. Okay, I have already created my map element here into my template section. Now I want to access the template variable reference variable into my component class using the view child method. Okay, so this is the name of the variable. Okay, I have already given here, and this is the variable name. Okay, it's a element ref variable. Next, into the constructor section, I want to import the geolocation using a dependency injection. Okay, these are the things first you have done into your component class. Okay, Once you have done this successfully, next go to the Google Map sample. Next we need to move on to the geolocation plugin page. Okay, I'm going to my browser and this is the geolocation plugin page, and I want to know how to use the geolocation into my application. So I just click the usage. Okay, here is the code to implement geolocation into your application. Okay, first you need to import the geolocation and you need to make it into my dependency injection. We have done these both into my component class. Okay, already we have done this. Next I want to get the geolocation into after view init lifecycle hook. Okay, going to my ng after view init method. Here I want to get the geolocation. Okay, just copy this code and paste it here. Okay, I have done the same. What can I done extra? See this? Here I have created a two variable for latitude and longitude. Okay, I am going to get the coordinates here and pushed into that variable. Okay, that's what I am doing extra in this section. Otherwise I don't do nothing. Okay, see here, this is the code for getting latitude and longitude. So I just get the latitude and longitude here and just assign into a variable. Okay, this is I want done here. Next I want to create a Google Map inside of my component class. Just use the following code to create Google Map inside of your application. Okay, first I want to use the Google Map create function. Okay, this is the default function come with the sample source code. Next you need to declare the map element. Okay, here I am using view child reference as a native element. Okay, next I want to set the map center and zoom level. Okay, this is the basic method to create a Google Map inside of your component class. Okay, once you created this one successfully, next you need to declare an info window. Okay, info window is nothing but just show some information to the user inside of the map. Okay, here I want show this is your location. Okay, so I need to create a info window inside of the map. This is the code. Create a new info window here. Okay, next I want to convert my latitude longitude as a Google Map position coordinate. Okay, it's a latland object. Next I want to set the position of a info window position. Okay, just show the info window on that geocode for latitude and longitude. Okay, next this is the content that was showed into the info window. Next I want to open the info window into the map. Okay, finally we need to set the map center as our new position. Okay, it comes from our geolocation plugin. Okay, once you have done it successfully, you need to get the exact result into your browser. Okay, I have done everything in my component class and into my template section. Next I want to check with my browser. Okay, I'm going to my browser. See here, this is my map that was loaded successfully and this is my location that is found here. Okay, this is the purpose of info window, to show some info to the users. Okay, let's get my exact current location and pin the info window on that location here. Okay, this is the method to implement geolocation into your Ionic 4 application, guys. Don't forget, please use your own API key, otherwise we didn't get the exact result. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.